Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by softening the adhesive immediately. Apply steady heat for 30–60 seconds to the glue area to loosen the bond. While it warms, saturate a cotton pad with acetone or 90% isopropyl and place it on the softened spot for 1 to 2 minutes so solvent penetrates. Make sure to wear gloves and safety glasses. Protect nearby trim with low-tack tape. Once the solvent has soaked in, use a plastic scraper to lift an edge. Do not force the razor yet. You want the glue pliable and ready. Next, continue by alternating gentle scraping and solvent application to remove bulk adhesive. Hold the razor shallowly, about 30 degrees, and push, do not pry. This prevents scratching. After each pass, reapply solvent and wait 1 to 3 minutes for deeper penetration, then wipe away softened residue with a paper towel. For stubborn bits, repeat heat plus solvent cycles rather than increasing pressure. Make sure to change pads so you're not rubbing glue back onto the glass, and switch to a plastic scraper on thin films to avoid micro scratches. Finish by removing all solvent traces. Spray glass cleaner, buff with a clean microfiber, and inspect under bright light for any haze or residue. If a faint film remains, use a small amount of cerium oxide polish and a soft pad to restore clarity. Work slowly and rinse often. Make sure seals and gaskets are dry before reassembly. Troubleshooting. If you see permanent etching or deep scratches, stop. Avoid further aggressive chemicals and contact a professional glass repair specialist to prevent making the damage worse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.